Okay, so it's January 13th, 2018. We, um, we had a record high yesterday of 10 Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. We are currently minus 12, and the difference in the last 12 hours has been amazing. I just finished driving over to Vaudreuil-Dorion. We probably have close to 30 centimeters down. I'm going to guess about 8 to 10 centimeters has fallen just in the last 2 hours. This is my neighborhood here on Ile Perrot. The visibility on the open highway was next to nothing, very difficult to see. And this should taper off by about lunchtime. I'm going to say we're going to settle into the 30 to 40 centimeter range once it's all is said and done, which makes this a pretty impressive snowstorm, considering just 24 hours ago it was pouring rain and everything was melting. So that's about it, and drive safe, everyone.